Do you want to use Cutout in your Instagram story? You can cutouts the background of a photo on the Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to use Cutout in an Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To use the Cutout feature in an Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This icon is situated with your profile picture in your story section. Select a photo or video from your device's gallery that you want to use as the background for your story. Alternatively, you can take a new photo by tapping the camera icon. Once you've selected or taken a photo, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. In the stickers screen, scroll down until you locate the Cutout sticker. You can also use the search bar to find it more quickly. Once you find it, tap on it. Instagram will display photos and videos from your device's gallery. Choose the photo from which you want to remove the background. Instagram will automatically attempt to cut out the subject from the background of the photo. If you're satisfied with the automatic selection, proceed to the next step. Otherwise, tap on the Select Manually button to manually adjust the cutout. Once you're satisfied with the selection, tap on the Use Sticker button. Add the cutout sticker anywhere on the screen and resize it as desired. You can further customize your story by adding text, stickers, or other effects. Once you're happy with your story, tap on the Next button to share it to your Instagram story. By following these simple steps, you can use the Cutout sticker in an Instagram story to remove the background from a photo.